Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Chrissy, and in today's video, I am doing another a day in the life as a content creator because this is what I love to do and you guys really enjoyed watching them. So your girl is back. But before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to your girl, support your girl, like this video, comment down below, and make sure you guys turn your post notification on so you guys don't miss out on my next video. And make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok at Mscrisssy if you guys want to see more fashion looks. Let's go ahead and get this started. Oh my god, guys, I love my brown tones. Lately, I've been trying to ignore them because I wear nothing but brown tones lately, and I was like, you know, I can't stop wearing them. So I am wearing this set from Pretty Little Thing. It's a zip-up hoodie that comes with this sweat, so you guys will definitely see later. And I just want to give you guys a little update. My moving day is coming. It's gonna be next weekend, so as you guys can see, I have boxes. My house is like completely messy right now, so I cannot even show you guys that. I'm really excited because I have been working so hard to get this place, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. It really means a lot. Your girl is booked and busy, and I'm really happy. This is what I prayed for from God, so thank you, God, for making this happen for me. So I am in the car now, as you guys can see. My boyfriend is helping me out put everything in the car. We started pretty early today. It is now 10:56. I normally shoot like around 2 to 3 because I want the, you know, the sunset look. But we're starting early because I have things to do after this, and I have some errands to do and some photos I have to edit and things like that. So I'm really excited. I haven't shot 3 in a long time. I normally shoot 6 outfits. You know how overwhelming that is. Like, it's pretty crazy. A lot of people are like, how do you even shoot 6 outfits in a day? You just gotta be prepared. You gotta be physically.
I know this is a part of the process, but I forgot the light stand upstairs, and I'm glad I just realized that now, because the last time we forgot it, I had to put the flash in the trunk.
Thanks, babe. Appreciate that. So you see what I mean? Things you guys don't normally see on my pictures. Just gonna put my seatbelt on because safety first, y'all. Make sure to put your seatbelt on. I hate when people don't put their seatbelt on. Like, what is wrong with you? Are you trying to kill yourself? Like, if you get in my car, just know you gotta put your seatbelt on. I don't care if you don't put your seatbelt on in your own car or in general, but the moment you get in my car, just know that you have to put your seatbelt on because I don't want to have to be responsible to that. I want to make sure that we are all safe. What if all of us in the car have our seatbelt on and you're in the back seat and something happens to you because you didn't put your seatbelt on? Let's go ahead and let's start shooting. I'm gonna wait for my boyfriend and then we're gonna start shooting. Check out the weather right now, y'all. You see this right now? There's no sun. Oh my god, the sun came out in just this area, unfortunately. But I see something though. I see a potential right now. I think where we normally shoot, I see sun over there, but we'll see. It's getting a little bit closer, so I cannot wait to eat some food after this. I haven't had the chance to go eat breakfast. Only had coffee this morning. Just trying to, you know, start pretty early today because, again, I told you, I'm super busy and I just wanna rest at this point. Like, I wish I can do that, but I can't. I got things to do, so yeah, this whole entire week is gonna be crazy because moving day is coming closer. We're gonna be shooting at this place, and there's like security guards that, you know, roams around all the time just to make sure no one is like doing some crazy shit at the parking garage. So hopefully they don't trip, because like normally when we shoot there, they normally trip. Like, hey, you can have that camera like that, you can't show off your camera like that, you can have, you know, big production things going on like that. They're okay me taking pictures, they just don't show off like professional cameras. Since we're trying to be low-key, you know, especially with the security guard like tripping, we're gonna move on to a different place right now, shoot 2 outfits outside. And guys, we are gonna be using our flash because it's cloudy outside, meaning it's dark. We found a background. Thank God it's only like across the street from the parking garage, so which is pretty cool. I love shooting in an alleyway in LA for some reason. They have tons of backgrounds you can choose from, and thank God I'm wearing something neutral, you know, not too much colors and stuff like that, so it's gonna be super easy to shoot. It's just we gotta be still low-key because you just never know who's watching you, so you gotta be like prepared. You gotta be like ready, set, go, get in the car and leave, bounce, because you just never know you know? So you gotta be safe out here. You gotta be alert what's happening. I don't know if I ever mentioned this to you guys, but whenever we shoot outside, especially if the place looks kind of sus, we normally just scout around the place first, and that's what Dante's doing outside right now. And while he's doing that, I'm actually gonna put on my shoes. I'm gonna be wearing this off-white. Beautiful shoes. You guys don't understand. I've been wanting these for so long, and she's finally here, and I've been really taking advantage of them. I'm creating a lot of content. You know what's crazy, guys? Most of the shoes that I wear on my Instagram, I don't normally wear them out, only my Air Forces, just because I don't want to get them dirty and I don't want to beat them up. And I see my shoes as an investment, so I try my best to only use them whenever I need them for photo shoot. But other than that, I normally just wear my Air Forces outside, or some other shoes that I don't care about beating them up. So that's definitely one of the main reason why my shoes are like still clean, because I take care of them, because I don't want to just beat them up. I don't know how some people are okay with that, but I'm not okay with that. Yo, I'm breaking out. It's okay, you know. She probably has nowhere else to go, so she's on my face right now. I have one right here, I have one right here, and I have one right here. I think I have one right here. I have a total of 4. But what happened was, your girl, she decided to just exfoliate herself every single day. I don't know what I was doing, I don't know what I was thinking, but your girl ended up exfoliating herself. And just imagine that when you exfoliate your face every single day, you're opening up your pores. That means like your holes on your face, there's spots for them to just chill there. All the bacteria are basically just chilling there. So yeah, that's what happened. Lesson learned: don't exfoliate yourself every single day. Do it at least like once a week. Other than that, don't exfoliate. Don't. And I'm using Curology, y'all. Curology, if you're listening right now, what's good? Hit me up on my email. But yeah, I love Curology. I've been using them for 2 years now, and so far it's been good. But yeah, just don't exfoliate yourself every single day. Hi, babe. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm in a good mood, surprisingly. I think it's the carrots I was eating today. Definitely. I had some carrots earlier. I was like, I need something to eat, but I don't want to be bloated for photo shoot, so test it out, baby. Let's do it. This is what I'm talking about. Like, a lot of people they just get so intimidated about this flash, so they end up like kicking us out. And this actually happened when I was shooting somewhere in downtown LA, and they're okay for me to shoot there. There's just no like professional lights and stuff like that. We are done, and we are gonna change my outfit and then shoot here again. I'm gonna show you guys a before without the flash and after. I'm telling you, Dante is so good at what he does. Like, I just really appreciate him, having him in my life, because he just makes everything so easy, and like, he's just so smart. I don't know how he does this, but let's go ahead and change. And one thing that I learned is that you gotta turn on your car once you get in the car, just in case, and also just because you want to make sure that you're not sweaty, So right now Dante is setting up the car for me. He has the AC on, and I'm in the back seat now. This is where I'm going to be changing, and I love being in the back seat. Look at my hair, it's so messy right now. You see my pimple right there? She's there, but say what's up, say what's up. She's cool, she's doing her thing, she's doing what she gotta do. And this is where I'm going to be changing. I totally forgot when I first started doing this, guys. I forgot that I was only shooting 3 outfits before, and now I do 6 outfits, and I forgot how much fun it is to just do 3. But I just hate the fact that I have to shoot like 2 times a week. That's why I didn't stop doing that. But now I actually enjoyed this. This is the only time that I get to do this. So this next outfit that I'm going to be wearing, this is from Boohoo. It's another matching set. We got a hoodie and a sweats. And I'm actually going to wear my mochas with this outfit. I haven't worn my mochas in a while, y'all. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the Easy's on. Dante's not messing around this time. He's like, nah, I don't want you to be hot in the car. I don't want you to sweat in the car. So that's what he's doing right now. Girls out there, ladies out there, get your man the I will support you like this. I don't know how much I have to say this all the time, but I really appreciate him so much for making things so easy for me. Oh, that's my ring. He makes everything so easy, like easy to do, because he doesn't like when I stress out. And you need a man like that in your life. You need a partner like that in your life who is basically just making sure you're not stressed out, who's taking care of you. I'm so happy that I have him in my life. You don't understand. I am the most luckiest woman out there in the whole entire world, because he just makes everything so easy and stress-free for me. Sometimes we have days that we do fight, but right now I'm really just living my moment with him. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to treat him after this. We're gonna get something to eat. I live in my sweatpants. I live in them. I love them. I love how you can just style them and you're still looking like a baddie. You really just need to learn how to play around with them, add some accessories in them and stuff like that, so it doesn't look so boring. I love my life. I appreciate this. Thank you, God. Thank you for listening to all of my prayers. I really appreciate it. Right now, I know there's a lot of things going on, but the fact that I'm literally saying this out loud, I love my life. I love where I'm at right now in life, and this is really rare for me to say, because and I broke my nail. And guess what? Your girl doesn't have her glue. So this is my real nail. There's like tons of glue everywhere, but it's okay. We're gonna hide her. Oh my god, I'm excited to show you this. But we're gonna wear her later. I'm gonna wear my mochas today for this outfit. Okay. Let me not get happy too much. I just love my life, yo. I really appreciate my life right now because I'm self-aware, yo. I'm self-aware. And I'm really happy where my life is at right now because I've never been this busy, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really excited. I'm excited for the future. I have so many plans. Me and Dante have so many plans. And I cannot wait to show them and share it with you guys. And this is why I wanted to record this video, because I just want you guys to know that I am okay. I know a lot of you guys have been like, you haven't really been active. Like, I have, but I try my best. I try my best to, like, you know, to show you guys what I'm up to and stuff like that, but you guys don't know what goes on behind the scene every single day. And I'm not gonna lie, it's overwhelming, but at the same time I'm really happy. And I'm so sorry if you guys have been feeling some type of way and haven't really been, you know, been active on my social media, but I'm trying my best. I haven't really been talking to my family either, so just know that I'm okay. I'm just living in the moment and just, you know, and trying not to overwhelm myself because it's already overwhelming enough. So right now I'm really just happy that I'm still able to get to do this while I have a gig at the same time. So I cannot complain. Life is good. I am blessed. I am grateful. I am healthy. I am... Oh, that's a song on TikTok, y'all. So we're gonna move right there. You see that brown garage? Since I'm wearing something light, we want this to stand out. So let me just drive there real quick. I know you guys are probably like, what is going on right now? You guys don't really see me drive, huh? Because I never show you guys that. But your girl can drive. She can drive pretty far. I love driving for a long time. Dante, he always ends up like falling asleep or just getting bored driving. I don't.
Yeah, this trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on it. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. Yeah. All these trips got you beat. Yeah, cause I sometimes don't love.
You got it. Now, time to change. We are almost done. We're doing the last outfit now. Let's get it. Babe, we're almost done.
That's right.
This is the last outfit.
That's right. This was good. Not 6 outfits.
See, I told you. My seatbelt on. Alright guys, we found the last location. We're in the alleyway where we normally shoot. It's Sunday, so there's no one here. So I'm excited. Let me just put this bandana on and then we're good. So I have this orange bandana. And I'm gonna...
Imagine this, babe.
Huh? I am ready. I am ready. I'm gonna wear this jacket from Threaded Grills. This is the background that we're gonna be shooting at. We were actually just here yesterday shooting for Dante. And so, yeah, I'm gonna shoot here. He's setting up the light right now. So here's my outfit. I'm wearing this jeans from, where did I get this from? It's pretty old. I had them for like a year now. It's either from Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo. And then obviously my shoes. Babe bought it for me for my birthday. And then I'm wearing this NASCAR jacket. And the bandana.
Girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gonna keep you waiting. If you go, it's gonna get knocked out. You play hide and seek, I'ma find you.
Yo, we did it. That was the last outfit. Now we are gonna get something to eat, go home, and edit for the rest of our day. Can we get some wine? Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I am gonna go now. I'm gonna get something to eat, edit some photos. And yeah, if you guys did enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notification on and follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok at Mscrisssy so you guys can see more fashion looks from me. And I'm out. Peace.